The 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, a power liftgate, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.